LLM is the best option for customer service, which is able to provide timely and accurate information. In this video, we will show you the possibility of developing customer service chatbot with Novita AI LLM API. First and foremost, Novita AI provides you with a lot of models, and you can choose the one which fits you most. In this video, we will pick Llama 370B Instruct, which is suitable for this job because of its optimization of dialogue use cases. We now give some standard answer to the model. In the development environment in reality, developers should set up knowledge databases of the question answer or the information you want to give in backend. And then now, feel free to ask any questions. And you can see the model perfect here. Follow our instructions. With the help of our LLM API, developers can be supported better. And please check our LLM API reference for more at any time on Novita AI.